If you want to edit your Calendly booking page, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to update your meeting details, change the event name, adjust the duration, set where the meeting happens, and make sure your availability is correct. This is a quick but important update if you want your booking page to look professional and make it easier for people to book the right time with you. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get into it. First, log into your Calendly dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the menu and go to the Scheduling tab. This is where all of your bookable meeting types are managed. If you have more than one event type set up, take a moment to find the specific meeting block or booking page you want to change. Calendly usually lists your events clearly, so click the one that matches the page you want to edit. After you open the meeting block, you'll be able to start updating the core details. One of the first things you may want to change is the event name. This is what your guests will see, so make it clear and easy to understand. For example, instead of a generic title, you can name it something like 15-min quick chat, discovery call, or client check-in. A clear name helps people know exactly what the meeting is for before they even book. Next, check the duration of the meeting. Calendly lets you choose how long the event lasts, and this is one of the most useful parts to edit. Depending on the purpose of the booking page, you might set it to 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 45 minutes. Shorter meetings work well for quick calls, while longer times are better for consultations, interviews, or more detailed conversations. Choose the length that best fits the type of meeting you want to offer. Now move to the location or meeting method. This is where you decide how the meeting will happen. You can select options like Zoom, Google Meet, a phone call, or even an in-person location if needed. If you're hosting online meetings, make sure the correct video platform is connected so guests receive the right meeting link automatically. If the meeting is by phone or in person, double check that the instructions are clear so there's no confusion when someone books. After that, review your availability settings. This is where you control what time works for you and what days of the week people can book. Make sure your available hours match your real schedule so you don't accidentally open time slots when you're not free. You can usually adjust weekdays, block off certain hours, and fine-tune the time windows so the booking page only shows times that make sense for your calendar. Once you've updated the name, duration, location, and availability, take a final look through the settings to make sure everything looks right. If Calendly offers any additional options on that page, such as event description or scheduling rules, review those too so your booking experience is polished and accurate. When you're finished, scroll to the bottom of the screen and click Save and Close or Save Changes, depending on what you see on your version of Calendly. This step is important because it applies all the edits you just made. If you skip saving, your changes won't go live on the booking page. And that's it. You've now edited your Calendly booking page and updated the main details that matter most. A few small changes can make a big difference in how professional your scheduling page looks and how easy it is for people to book time with you. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.